What up though, Black KC Crypto, and this is another chart drawing my art. And I want to show y'all a little bit I got on S&P 500. Uh, I've been looking at this for a few weeks, and this is the overall stock market, and it kind of gives me an idea of what Bitcoin will do because it's kind of correlated to the same action, and the rest of crypto is correlated to the same action of Bitcoin. So there's still a relationship there, and I do want to show uh, just kind of what I expect for the near coming future. This is a week chart on the weekly, and I know this looks ugly, but I just see these downward trends. This is a hard reset. That this resistance hasn't been broken until recently. We did have a little break to try to get to this moving average, and so I don't doubt that we might make it that as high as 410. But I do see this resistance slowing up now. To the untrained eye, this may be looking like a bull flag breakout. Um, And they say, wait, that's a small triangle. It's getting ready to blow. But if you look closely, we have the same formation here, huge breakout, continuation, and then doji at the top. And I think that's what we have here. I think this is a huge breakout. It's a hammer in a red candle, so it doesn't look the same. But I think this is the same move here to where maybe we make it out of this triangle, but not even to the moving average. Tomorrow, they do announce the interest rate hikes, and that can have a negative impact on everyone to where, I've even heard rumors that they may overshoot that 0.75 point expectation. So, downside expected from me, kind of front run the Bears, but then again, we can shoot to the moon and blow right past this with the money printers, but I doubt it. I just really think more downside to come. We kind of reached to this area. I guess I front ran that a bit. So let's get rid of this. Let's delete the whole chart. Let's delete the whole chart and show what we really can expect. Now this is the weekly chart, so I want to get a little closer, but I do want to start off with the weekly because that's going to give me my guidelines. So when I look at the whole thing, I say, all right, what is the true value? Are we overvalued or undervalued? And I'm just going to take these last 3 years. So from the lowest price, and we're going to throw out the high and the low. And I want to take that price right there, right before the COVID dip. And you know what? We need all of that. We'll throw out those highs. Okay. So that's my range that I want to work with. That's going to give me an idea. If I go through the center point, that midsection, that's the average, the true value um, of this market. And I do think it's undervalued right now. So we may make a move towards this moving average, but I just think we need to come back and retest some of this huge action. This is the COVID dip. So we kind of blew right past that with artificial money printing. So we may need to come back and retest this. We had this breakout here. So this level may need to be retested again. Maybe this level, we're going to draw a line on it right here because we had two taps. So maybe a retest to that level to make sure that is a valid value. So I do want to draw me a nice big circle right there to say, well, no, not yet, not yet. Let's get a little closer and go to the daily chart. All right, on a daily coming in a little closer. Um, Now I do want to draw this hard resistance that I pause, this hard line of resistance that I do see developing. Um, and I think this may be the thing that slows this price down a little bit. It comes straight down, and I'm touching the tops of these. Um, we'll see what happens, but I just think we're going to extend that line all the way down. And we don't need to go all the way to January. Come on. That's accurate. Yeah, it's like falling. I don't think that's enough momentum to turn. Maybe here I want to draw a circle here because everywhere you have this confluence, that is a significant area. So we could see a sharp air. When you're above it, sometimes it shoots the price up, but if you're below it, uh, sometimes it shoots the price down. So either I'm really wrong or really right here. Um, or it could just come to bounce here and then crawl up this line. So that's a possibility as well, to walk down this line. But there is another. Let me get a clone. There's another line of resistance right there. Just if you didn't see it already, and I want to show where we've been already. So we were already falling on this channel, and I just want to take the bottoms, and that's how I had those red lines you saw. So we were coming down on this channel. We broke out of it to come down this channel, but I think we just break back straight down into this one and have a hard rejection. Pause. If anybody can make that bold price prediction, you can get super rich. I don't think anybody is seeing this. Um, 448. Is that serious? I'm gonna let's see if we can. If that line matches up, we're gonna go from this confluence all the way through this line, and that lines up perfect actually. So yeah, I think that could be a super sale if you can get that. Come on now, let me see my red for me, please. You're gonna fill it in. If I say that's yellow and then green to go, what would be the sign to where I'm more bullish and saying, okay, yeah, let's get a buy-in. We're going to the moon. If it can stop here and hold that moving average, I think that'd be a really positive sign. Did the back test? True enough. So that's what we're looking to see if it can hold this top line and keep price moving to the upside. But if it breaks down, it's going down. You're going down the dead boy. You're going down the dead boy. But we'll see. We'll see. Shouts out BlaKCrypto. And yeah, till next time, we out here.